Hello, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get your average acceleration information from your LoggerPro files. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on your CMBL file for the particular angle. I'm going to choose one that's a little bit more interesting here. And this should start LoggerPro and give you a view of your position time graph here and your velocity time graph here. Now over here is a t-table with your times down here, your positions here, and your velocities here. Now I'd like you to notice that also what it gives you after the velocity is your accelerations here. This is what we're going to be looking for. But the position time and the velocity time graphs are here. So we need to generate another graph or insert another graph. So you go up to Insert, go to Graph, click it, and the default is going to be the third data set here. So you've got acceleration on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Now we're going to want to figure out what the average acceleration is for the cart going down the inclined surface. So we are going to be looking at this flat part here. We're not so concerned with the beginning, which may have been a push or something, and we're not so concerned with the end, which may be the stopping or hitting the motion sensor, hopefully not that. So we're going to be looking mainly for this section here, and we're going to try to figure out the average. Now, that's a straight line, so that's a pretty good indication that that is a nice average. But I'd like you to notice the scale here. 50 meters per second squared minus 50 meters per second squared. It is way too big for us to get any kind of meaningful data from this line. So what we should do here is zoom in with this zoom in key. We're going to zoom right into that line, and you're going to click it and keep track of your y-axis, the scale of your y-axis. And now we can start seeing it separate from 0. We can get a better grasp of where our average acceleration is. So as I'm sitting here, I notice that that straight line, which is more or less straight and hovering around negative 0.41, and we're going to go ahead and use 2 decimal places. So your average acceleration for this trial, which is the third trial of 3 blocks, is going to be negative 0.41. And that's going to be one element in your data table that you're going to be drawing up next class. That element will be, you'll have 24 more of them to do. You've got 5 blocks and 5 trials on each block height. So good luck.